Today we're back in Romeo's science lab for another toy science lesson with the night villain, Romeo. E-L-L-I-E, Ellie. Romeo is first going to show us how to make a red superhero who can fly. Okay, so we take this special red color and add 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. Let's shake the water. Cool, it's turning red. Okay, Romeo, now you can zap the red water and make us a red superhero who can fly. Wow, the water is bubbling. Awesome! It's the Disney princess Aurora from Sleeping Beauty. Aurora is wearing a red dress, but she isn't a superhero. Aurora is a princess, and Aurora definitely can't fly. Romeo, did you trick us? Let's try one more time to make a red superhero who can fly. Nice! It's an Owlette toy from PJ Masks. Owlette is red. She's a superhero. And oh yeah, Owlette can fly using her super owl wings. Wow, there she goes. Good job, Romeo. Next, Romeo is going to show us how to make my favorite Shopkin toy, Bagel Billy. Okay, so we take this special yellow color and add 1 drop. Now let's take this special green color and add 1 drop. Now we have a light green color. Okay, Romeo, are you ready to zap this special light green water? Wow, this sure is a big Bagel Billy Shopkin toy. I see a yellow bagel and green lettuce. But wait, this is a real bagel with real lettuce. This isn't Bagel Billy. Romeo tricked us again. Nice! Here is a real Bagel Billy Shopkin. If you like Shopkins, let me know what your favorite Shopkin is in the comments. Next, Romeo is going to show us how to make Minions from the Minions movie. We start off by taking this special yellow color and add 1 drop. Let's shake the water. Alright, Romeo, now you can zap the yellow water and make us a minion. Romeo, these are bananas, not minions. Bananas are yellow and minions love to eat bananas. But I want minions, not bananas. Let's try it again. Awesome! It's the Minions! Here is Kevin the Minion in a funny black hat. And here is Stuart the Minion. The Minions are so funny. Thanks, Romeo. Okay, that's all for Romeo's science lab.